So what did your life look like back then compared to now?
Well, now it kind of looks like
Twisting it. Yeah, twisting his fingers and looking at me. Twisting some shit up that I never seen. Twisting it up, I don't know what that means. Twist.
but people don't see what really goes down. The cars, the trips, the money. I get it. That's what you guys want to look at. But the work is boring. So here's an unfiltered week in LA. Plus 5K again. Welcome to the crib, guys. Here in Los Angeles. Let me show you around. So this place is freaking massive. When you come up to the crib up here, you guys can see all of Los Angeles. You come in here, always have some like low-grade house music playing in the crib. That's just kind of how we operate. You have the living room that stretches down here. Now, to be honest, guys, this house isn't insanely big. If you guys saw our last video in LA, we were staying in a house that was shaped as a yacht. We called it the yacht house. That one was huge. But it kind of stretches out all the way to those couches outside. We're gonna go over to the best part of the house. So this actually came with the crib. This young Indian man right here actually came with the house. What's up, guys? Look at his strong shoulders. All right, that's size works up. Now, the thing about houses in LA, for some reason, the master bedroom just mogs on every other part of the house. So for this particular crib, the whole upstairs is the master bedroom. So you got the office, which stretches across, and like, to be honest, this is probably one of the best offices I've seen. Moving forward, cuck chair. It's not even a cuck chair, bro. It's a cuck bench. Over here, we got the bathroom, I guess. I don't know. All right, well, that's the crib, guys. I hope you liked it. AI brand builders. AI brand builders. Come on now, sign up. It's free. I mean, the good thing about what I do, guys, is I can literally work from anywhere. I live in Miami, but to be honest with you, Miami is like my home. Like, it's like the place I relax at. So when I want to have a little bit extra stimulation, you're gonna catch me in cities like LA or Bali or maybe even New York.
Cause I gotta get paid. 1% chance, 99% faith. I fell in love with a hustle. I fell in love with a chase. No emotion, put in a pin. We get it no matter the weather. Sun, snow, sleet, rain.
Alright guys, so we're just finishing up some work here. Beautiful day. Beautiful fucking day. Our barber is downstairs. This video is sponsored by Zins. Get your Zins online. Link in bio. I gotta land a Zin partnership, bro. That would be so sick.
Do a Zen trick.
Oh, like you spit it out, put it in?
Oh, no.
That's kind of gay.
Ew, no, what?
All right, guys, we got the barber downstairs. So I had to get a fresh cut. My hair was growing out of proportion, so I called up my boy, Will. And Will's a good friend I have out here, and he recommended a barber. This barber sucked. You're cool with being on camera, by the way.
Yeah, that's cool.
Not, yeah, because we like YouTubers and shit. That's cool. Tight shit, YouTubers. I haven't done a bird, but he kind of convinced me. He says I should do like loose curls, like very, very loose.
So that's the type of perm I did get.
All right, bad.
I got for loose.
I wanted to try a new style, guys. I was like, let me do a perm. I know you guys are looking at my hair right now. Where the fuck is the perm?
Fresh cut, bro.
Yeah, I mean, you know how it be. You know, we're out here killing it. Shout out AIbrandbuilders.co. Get your free ecom brand and trainings, link in bio. Is this guy really watching a video on how to do a perm while doing my perm? Maybe it was the fact that I couldn't find his hairline. I should have told this guy to get the fuck out the crib. Bro, he fucked my shit up. And not only did he fuck up my hair, but he fucked up everybody's hair. And on top of that, the house still smells like shit. And I'm trying to keep it cool. My boy, I told him, don't use the clippers on my hair. Use scissors. I have text messages with this guy. Use the scissors. And I'm sitting in the chair. There's no way this guy just whipped out the fucking razor. There is no way this guy just put a guard and started going crazy on my stuff. Do you know how long it takes to grow this part of my hair out? You know how long I've been trying to get that slick back style? And now for the next 3 months of my life, I'm gonna look like a fucking porcupine? You guys understand that? I can't believe he did that. But I got lucky. My videographer got fucking cooked. All right, Phil, show him. Show him, Phil, come on.
So I got a perm too, and my hair's still straight as fuck, right? And I'm sure everyone here knows what a low taper looks like.
Oh no.
Lift it up, Fred.
Oh no, man. Oh no. Tell them what happened. We're cooked. Just show them the red banner.
Alright. We were about to scale to $1 million a month, our first month with the new brand, and now our payouts are fucking paused.
We have like 50K on hold.
Bro, this all could have been avoided too. Like we literally, like all Samir had to do was just check his email. And now we have like 60 grand on hold.
Bro, this store was doing $30,000 a day in sales. It was
Profitably
profitable.
too. I was gonna retire my entire bloodline, but all because we didn't check his fucking email.
Sorry, Sai. I should have checked the email.
I would be at 50K day
We'd
right
probably
now.
be at 100K days right now if we just fucking
We
locked
would
in.
be doing $100,000 in a day.
It's pretty light.
Nah, that's pretty fucking good.
My boys are doing like $500,000 a day.
These boys with Jeff Bezos.
Should I leak the store that does $500,000 a day?
So does it start with an R?
Both of them start with an R.
These are all the stores that make a lot of money. Fucking I guess. Throw that bitch in. We're gonna bleep all of it out, bro. These guys, they're gonna get so pissed.
They're gonna try and like read
I know,
all the
you guys are
lips.
gonna try and transcribe it because if you know the stores that make money, you're gonna make money. Like, there's no way you're not going to. So we're bleeping all of it out. All right, well, we gotta figure out how to get our Shopify back up. So we'll catch you guys in the next segment.
But yeah, 2 L's in one day, man. I mean, Shopify payment hold, all he had to do was check his fucking email. And on top of that, his perm white boy head ass did not work.
Look, stuff like this happens all the time. I mean, it's just part of running a business. That can't stop us though. We're still popping out to dinner. Tao, the only restaurant in LA you guys need to be going to. I've been going to Tao, I think for 5 years now.
And where we at?
We at the best restaurant in LA, Tao. Tao.
Favorite restaurant.
It's actually my favorite restaurant in the world, to be honest. Good vlog. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're actually. This video is sponsored by Autism. It's you can't live without it. You know what I mean? You need it. You have it right here. We have a new videographer. You want to flip the camera to yourself? Show yourself with the camera. You got it.
Hello, my fun, fresh, and beautiful friends.
Give me that shit back. Nope. Give me that shit back. I guess this is how they pay. They start throwing shit in their purse on the thing. Oh my God. What is that? Yo. What are you passing? A lollipop. Yo, what? Why do you have a lollipop?
I found the bunny in Trader Joe's. They gave me a lollipop.
Makeup. Lots of makeup.
Do you think this will suffice? I actually think this is probably
Bro, she put her car
her out
keys. She put alright, you know what? We're good. We're chilling. Yeah.
Good morning. Good morning.
The work was a little bit less intense today, so I finally got to squeeze in a workout. Guys, I stay in my room all day, working, typing away, so when I can touch grass, feel the sun, run, and I know it sounds cringy, but when I can do stuff like that, it makes me feel human again. My life is so go, go, go. Starting new companies, firing people, hiring people, firing them again, hiring them again. It's so go, go, go that sometimes I lose that mental clarity and I kind of go insane. Being able to just be human, sometimes just taking a walk, running, resetting, these things are so important. And anybody who is an entrepreneur that looks up to me, because I'm sure a lot of you guys do look up to me, I'm telling you right now, take your mental health seriously. So I'm going for a run right now, gonna enjoy a little bit of the LA sun, much better than the East Coast. I truly am a very stressed person. Although I'm grateful, and I'm very grateful to where I'm at today, it is very, very stressful. Especially yesterday, what happened with the whole fucking Shopify ban. I mean, bro, look at my hairline. I got gray hairs coming in at 22. You do not want this.
Oh, guess who's up?
My bad.
Yo, I got you a matcha.
Did you guys buy the whole juice bar?
He did.
Bro, I always be doing the buy one, get one free deals. And they fucking ran that shit up, bro. You know what came in the mail today, bro?
What?
Well, I had to blur it out.
Dude, test?
Yeah, we're gonna try this out. I just wanted to try something light. And we have a telehealth company as well, which a lot of people don't know. So we got it from our own company. If your boy looks like Dwayne The Rock Johnson in about a couple months, you're gonna know why. I think it's actually cooler not to be natty, to be real with you guys. It's funny because he is so natural. Like, this guy will like drink bone broth and shit and like be super natural. What do you put on your skin, Si?
I literally just do water and beef tallow.
Like, I remember one time we were in an Airbnb and like he was like, yo, you got anything for like like skincare, and I'm like, nah, bro, like I got like some fucking like soap and shit. And he's like, oh, bet. And he goes in the fridge and he pulls out a stick of butter and he just started rubbing that shit on his face, bro.
That's how you get clear skin, though. Nah, chill.
Oh
my.
Yeah, look at that gauge.
Dude, fuck.
Dude, that's gonna hurt.
You know, one time I had this shit good in my dick.
Oh my god, yo, it's actually a true story.
What do you mean?
Yo, chill. I hate this story too.
Hey, story time.
Nah, okay, the story might have to be bleeped out. But
Comment down below if you want to hear the
Yeah, we have an unbleeped out version. I'll go into the whole story.
$59.99.
Just comment down below. Go to AIbrandbuilders.co. We got the link up and down all over the website, guys. You get a free store in just 10 minutes and all our courses and trainings for free. You guys, CTA.
Yo, should we just stab Phil while he's sleeping? T.
I wake up jacked as shit.
I mean, that's not that bad. It's just thick, bro.
Yeah, with that type of needle, I usually pin my butt. Like,
You need help?
actually won't be able to.
I think this is
Long story short, these bots can literally make us ads that they're super top of funnel.
Yeah.
And then you have like these, and it's so fucking insane. Like if you apply this for the brands, everything can be workflow with like. See, I'm trying to have a business unit now.
Yeah. I'm way too geek. Come get your girl off me. The drink been calling me. Don't kill the, don't kill.
Alright, my boy's back right here. First of all, thank you, bro.
W Samir, W cameraman.
I told him the story when I met him. He pulled up to one of my house parties and he had the most beautiful, I think it was a Patek on, right? With like a couple of security guards. And he was the only person that said like, hey, thank you for having me. Really good guy right here, bro. I gotta give it to you, man.
Credit where credit's due.
So sad, man. That is so sad. Don't even put that in the vlog, bro. Here, bro, we're rationing.
Beverly Hills Fight Club.
It's my sugar daddy. He paid for everything.
Yo!
I don't gotta worry about
to the UFC, bro. Fuck this shit. You gotta come to the UFC, bro.
Man, this is fun. This is good enough, though, no?
Come on. Vegas, bro. This summer.
Alright, next video, me and this guy going to Vegas, alright?
PJ's on me.
And he's gonna pay for everything. Pop tag him, pop tag him.
Hands up! Get the hands up!
Who do you got your money on?
I mean, bro, the black eye.
I said the same thing, bro. Lost 5K again, bro. I'm 200K in the red right now. Yo, AIbrandbuilders.co. Please sign up. We get paid out if y'all sign up.
Obviously, there's like so much more I can show you guys, like, you know, the work and like the stuff I'm doing. But you'd honestly just rip my fucking product, so hell no, bro. You gotta figure this out on your own. The only thing I'm gonna fucking give y'all is our free trainings. But for all the people that want a free handout, they rip my shit, good luck, buddy. But on a serious note, guys, like it's really cool to be able to make this type of content. And you know, shout out to everybody who helped make this happen, all the people behind it. I really don't got much to say to you guys except like sign up for our free shit, don't be dumb, and keep trying. Because at the end of the day, who wants to be a cuck when you could? Oh, okay, you know what? At the end of the day, just keep trying, bro. You got this.
All right, cut, bro. You're good. That's it.
Yeah. And to that barber that fucked my shit up, I'm coming for you, bro. I'm not coming for him, bro. He'd fuck my shit up.